What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Noke Bricks. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're doing good. Today, we are going to take a look at the Ironman Mk IV Bust. This came out June 1st, I believe, of 2025. It's a smaller bust, but Iron Man is by far my favorite Avenger, so I am stoked for this one. The fact that it comes with the minifig as well is pretty awesome. A lot of details here in the face, the armor. It's got the missiles that pop out of the like the collarbone section and things, which is really cool. But we're gonna dive up close, time lapse this sucker, and we will come back and talk about it after. Let's get into it and build it. Hope you enjoy. Well, she is built. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I think the designers did a really good job with this one. That red and gold really pop and really say Iron Man. I really enjoyed this. It was actually kind of challenging, which is always a good thing to me. But that layered look with the armor, it just says Iron Man. Yeah, and the minifig, you can't go wrong with that. And the helmet comes off too. It's just awesome. I love that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.